Well, here it is. VL800. It's the one with the new exhaust on it. Just to show 1064. A couple of modifications that I had to do on it. If you look in there, you'll see the exhaust somewhere. Where are we? There it is. I had to put new bolts on the exhaust there. And then when you look down here is, they weren't quite matching up in here. So what I had to do is I had to fabricate this here out of aluminum, extend it back a little bit, and then re-secure them. This here is what it sounds like. Sitting on top of the bike.